What if I told you in just 24 hours in Lisbon, you can ride through centuries of history, stand by the Tagus River, explore one of Portugal's most iconic districts, and still have time for one of the best pastries in Europe? This is exactly how to spend your first day in Lisbon without wasting a minute. Join us as we ride Lisbon's Yellow Bus Tour.
We arrived in Lisbon on a perfect spring day, 23 degrees, clear skies, and quickly realized this city demands a strategy. Lisbon is beautiful, but it's built on steep hills, and getting around can eat up your time fast. So instead of guessing where to go first, we started right at Praça de Comércio, right on the river, and jumped straight onto the Yellow Bus Tour. This gave us an instant overview of the city. As we move through Lisbon's neighborhoods, you start to understand the layouts, the viewpoints, the landmarks, and more importantly, where you want to come back and spend real time. But the standout part of this route is what happens next, the journey out to Belém. About 15 to 20 minutes from the center, Belém feels completely different, more open, more relaxed, and deeply connected to Portugal's maritime history. As we continue toward Belém, one of Lisbon's most impressive landmarks comes into view, the Church of Santa Maria de Belém, part of the stunning Jerónimos Monastery. Built in the 1500s and funded by Portugal's spice trade, this UNESCO site is a masterpiece of Manueline architecture, full of intricate carvings inspired by the sea. Inside, you'll find the tombs of explorer Vasco da Gama and famous poets. Quick tip, book early and aim for the 9:30 a.m. slot, because by midday, the lines here can get long and very hot. Just beyond the monastery, we pass under the highway, and suddenly this comes into view, the Monument of the Discoveries. Standing 52 meters tall and shaped like the prow of a ship, it celebrates Portugal's age of exploration. At the front is Prince Henry the Navigator, leading 33 historic figures who helped to map the world. You can actually go up inside for panoramic views over the Tagus River, and if you're lucky, you'll catch local buskers performing nearby, which adds to a pretty unforgettable atmosphere to the whole experience. This is where you'll find the Belém Tower sitting right on the Tagus River, and long waterfront paths that are perfect for walking and filming. And then there's the food. Belém is home to the original Pastéis de Nata, and yes, they absolutely live up to the hype. What makes this first 24 hours work so well is efficiency. In just a few hours, you've seen the city, experienced its history, and set yourself up for a much deeper visit. If it's your first time in Lisbon, this is exactly where you need to start.